Oops. Putting this on my stand. Top of the rising to your family. So I have to go to the store. The power is out right now, and I want us to talk about my last video. If you haven't watched my last video, I'm gonna put it right here, over here somewhere, so you can go watch that, read the comments. I don't want to dig too much on it. I'm not gonna even make a video about that, but it's like some people were angry, and it was like angry men, and I don't know if it was Tanzanians or not. Most likely it was, but I don't get it. Why are you so upset about my experience and how I want my life to be and how I want my purchasing and everything to be? It's like, it's crazy to me. I don't get it. But that's neither here nor there. You know, you can voice your opinion, just come correct, and we can chat it out. But if you don't, either I'll respond because I have the time and I felt like I wanted to respond, or you just get deleted and blocked. The end. So usually I use both. I'm gonna go out there and look. I made this fan with my girls. When it get hot, we made like a fan out of paper and tape. So let me turn this off. I'm wasting my battery. I did a workout today.
Power off.
And use it. I have a whole new channel coming about my workout journey and stuff. Let me finish straightening up the room. So I am going to just see if I can catch a Bajaji or a Boda. Boda is cheaper. I don't have cash. That's the thing. I hate when I don't have cash. I just gave my housekeeper cash. Let's see. 2,000. That's just there though, so I'll just have to stop by the Wakala. And I'm gonna take my battery pack because my phone clearly is gonna need some charge, since I'm gonna be using it to vlog. Hillwater, sponsored. Just kidding. Let's go. I got the extension cord way in here. Look at these spiders. They just, okay, you see that spider right now? See it? Oh my goodness, don't jump on me. But I have it going out to my solar. Bam. If y'all haven't seen the short, this is what it looks like. He put it down there, and I don't care as long as it works. Okay, so I have to call fiance before I leave to let him know that I am leaving. Say hello, girls.
Say hello, girls. Hi.
I love this. The fact that it has 2 gates you have to get past. You feel me? I don't play no games with security around here. I gotta get my thing out, my purse. Walking out. Let's see what I find. They usually be down that way. As soon as I start walking, someone would come forward this way to be like, yeah, I'm gonna get that money. Let's see. They're over there. No one sees me yet. Oh, I forgot to call fiance. Let me call him. Since I had to walk all the way over here, which never really happens, I might as well go to Wakala and get some money out, which is that red thing over there. So there's one that came. Wakala first. This is where I get money. stuff on? Jumbo supermarket. Okay, can you take me back? Okay, so normally you don't pay before you finish the ride. That way, that's my security. Because last time, they used to leave. Like if I pay on Bolt and I'm like, hey, can you take me back home? Look, I got oil. Can you take me back home? And then they be like, yeah. I don't know if they don't be understanding or if they don't want to wait. And then I go back outside and it's gone. And I'm like, dang, I should have put cash on Bolt. So I'm in the wrong aisle. So they won't leave. So they have always here and some other things. Even like this look like it's hygienic, made in TZ. Wow. Might get those. It's cheaper. Actually, look, these are cheaper. It's 2,000. Look, it's 2,000. Let's see which ones I'm gonna get. We have a Kills wagon. But I didn't come here to shop. I only came here first, not to get no snacks, because I'm on a strict healthy diet like I'm supposed to be on anyway. So I'll tell y'all more about that later. I love walking in here. It's so beautiful. Look at my hair. Blown in the wind, looking like what the... And this one came out. Oh my gosh. I was so tempted to buy some snacks. But usually the healthy snacks that I do eat is like popcorn or like chips, potato chips, or even the banana chips. But I don't even need that right now. So I'm supposed to make my smoothie / drink, but the power is out. So I'm gonna see if I can put the blender up on, put the blender on the side, put it into the, what you call that? The extension cord. Let's see. How much voltage is this? I hope it don't like, if it does, the solar pack will like turn off. Price of everything. Ooh, this cucumber is done. Oh my gosh. Oh no. No more cucumber. I have to place an order.
Can I get one more?
No, that's too old. You want an apple? Sure. Okay, well, gotta put this stuff back. Y'all want some soup?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I made soup last night, and we got some leftovers, so that's why I'm gonna warm up for them. It was broccoli, carrots, potato, and onions. Simple. I should make me some tea.
My sister wants an apple.
You want an apple?
Yes.
You still have one of yours, right? Here? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, you only had two. Okay, here you go. Rinse it off. Tonight, though, I'll be making myself some mushroom pita sandwiches with bell peppers. And the girls will have rice, beans, burrito. Yeah. Gonna add some salsa with some fresh tomatoes and onion. Yeah. We stocked up or whatever, just a little bit of something. Okay, so I'm selling my items. I'm trying to get it done early. I want to leave in December before my birthday. I don't really celebrate birthdays and stuff like that, but you know, it's still in my system from birth. And yeah, I want to leave early. So I saw that I had my phone, the same guy. Let me put this on the tripod. So I saw that I had the same guy from my Tonga video that sold my items there. I still had a message of him in my my WhatsApp from us doing that transaction last time. So I said, hey, are you still selling? Are you still in the business of selling like items? He said, what do you have to sell? Okay, perfect. So either I'm gonna sell my items, or I'm gonna set up something with my landlord to do Airbnb here. And if she doesn't want me to get that because she feels like she can do it, that's fine. It's understandable. It's your property. So then I asked her if she want to buy my items so she can profit and do Airbnb here, or just lease it with, semi-furnished or fully furnished. So I ended the video pretty quickly. So I just cut it off right here and inserted this, and I'll get back to the conversation after these few clips. So yeah, okay, so here it is. Let me roll it up. How I roll it is going to be Chick-fil-A style. I'm going to fold both sides and then roll and tuck. So these are some fat burritos. So I'm folding the sides, and then I'm bringing it back, tucking it back, and then I roll. And voila, big fat burrito. And I lay it on the part where it's closed. So I'm gonna do all three. I didn't make theirs as big, but it's still big, so we can stay full. Okay, so I have a sister that wants me to assist her with finding a job, and I let her know that we can do a Zoom conference or whatever. So that's what I'm preparing for right now. Let's see how that goes. And that's the end of this vlog. I don't have anything else to say. Oh yeah, let's talk about the last video just a little bit. Anything that I say on here is not to discourage you all from coming to Africa, to the continent at all. Not to discourage you to come to Tanzania. I'm just saying that if you want to live here, those are the facts. Whether I did the research or not, those are the facts. I've done the research. I was going to open up a business. I was going to do all that. If you watch my videos, if you watch that video, I was thoroughly explaining what I wanted to do. And some people like misconstrued things and wasn't comprehending. So at the end of the day, they are pissed off that I want to leave. And if I want to leave, then let me leave. People's perspective of me does not bother me. What I don't want is for my good to be evil spoken of. So I make sure that the principles that I live in life are right-chested, and that's about it. I don't move maliciously, so whatever anybody has to say, they're gonna say it regardless. So he needs to know that it's not only gonna be all positive on my channel, in my comments, but most of it is. And I thank you guys for all of your input, the comments. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. On my videos, I would love if you would do that. Make sure you put the notification bells on, and stay tuned to my next vlog or video. Thanks for watching.